Hi, I'm celebrity and editorial makeup artist Katie Jane Hughes, and I am going to show you what is in my kit. All right, my first product is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. This has been around for forever, and there's a reason for that. It's the most gorgeous brightening serum that you can just put under your moisturizer, or you can use it as like a primer if you're super oily. It's just a hero product. Okay, this is new for me. This is called Quo Beauty Velvetkes Liquid Lipstick. This is a color called Mauve Love. It's the most pigmented thing ever. I'm actually wearing it a little bit on my cheeks. I do this little trick where I take my foundation and I take it into my blush or my liquid lipstick and I cocktail a whole new color out of it. So if I take my foundation and then a little bit of this product, I can create a little bit of blush. Do you see? And that's actually what's on my cheeks right now. My third product is this, a really amazing lipstick. This is the shade 173 Nude Intense from L'Oreal. And I'm wearing this with a little bit of an eyeshadow powder on top, but it's just the most lovely, lovely, lovely finished lipstick. And I love a lipstick like this because I can kind of cocktail it and use it on my cheeks if I'm feeling cheeky. But I can also, you know, depot it and put it in my kit and travel with it. It's just so great. I think we all need a really good nude. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. This is one of the most like epic moisturizers for under makeup ever. And like when I tell you it has a shine to it, I tell you it has a shine to it, but it doesn't leave you greasy, which is really nice. Mascara smells so good to me. I don't know what it is. I think it's the nostalgia of like when I used to play in my mom's makeup bag. This is hands down one of the best mascaras I've ever used in my entire life. It has a wand that looks like a spoon. It really, really allows you to just like slap a lot on, and I like a lash. Like I don't want a lash if it's for the faint-hearted. I want a lash that like looks like I'm about to go on stage. You see the difference? I do.